USJ in summer? Mainit? Crowded? Sulit pa rin ba? Ito yung top 10 attraction and rides namin plus tips para masulit mo rin. Number 1, the Jaws ride. Boat ride lang dapat until biglang umakyat yung shark at sumabog yung gas tank. Tip is, do this in the morning para fresh ka pa. Mas mainit kasi pag open area, di ba? Number 2, the flight of the hippogriff. Cute looking mini roller coaster pero mabilis at twisty. Nahilo kami dito. Tip is, kung may motion sickness ka, alternate this with a chill show after para makabawi. At syempre, yung No Limit Summer Splash Parade. Perfect pampalamig to kung gusto mo mabasa. Tapos makikita mo yung mga favorite childhood characters like Mario and Pikachu. Tip is, wear quick dry clothes or magdala ng extra t-shirt kung sasama ka pa sa splash zone. Kasi promise, mababasa ka talaga. Number 4, Water World. Action stunt show na may explosions, fireworks, and water effects. Bonus pa, libre kang mababasa pag nasa harap ka. Ang tip dito, if ayaw mong mabasa, sa likod ka umupo kasi nambabasa talaga yung mga stop sa may bandang unahan. At syempre, ito na yung Mario Kart Koopa's Challenge. VR racing game na may pindutan sa kart, tatalunin mo yung mga kalaban hanggang sa last boss. Childhood feels, lalo kung fan ka ni Mario. Tip is, Nintendo World gets full pass. Go here first or get a time entry pass early. Next is Minecart Madness. Bagong ride sa Donkey Kong area. Trackless kaya unpredictable yung galaw. Ang saya lalo na pag lumitaw si Kong. Discong. Tip is, since bago ito, expect long lines. Line up early before the crowd builds. Or just use the single rider line. Number 7, Yoshi's Adventure. Cutest ride in Nintendo World. Perfect for pictures and chill sightseeing. Best to kung di pa masyadong mainit pag sumakay kayo dito. Kasi bukod sa outdoor yung ride, mabagal pa. Number 8, Sing on Tour. Aircon plus live music plus nostalgia sa first Sing movie. Eto na yon. Ang galing kasi live talaga yung kanta for 2 characters. Use this as a break from the heat and walking. Alternate shows with rides para hindi ka madrain. And ito na yung last ride namin. At hindi namin to in-expect. The Spy Family XR ride. Feels like you're inside the anime. Amazing visuals at may 3 intense drops pa. Skip mo to if hindi ka pan ng extreme rides. Kung sasakay ka, gawin to before kumain para safe ang tiyan. Lastly, the Raymond 4D Art Adventure. Throwback ito sa kabataan. Cute, fun, and immersive kahit Japanese yung audio. Save light rides like this for last para chill ka bago umuwi. So plan ahead, stay hydrated, and know your ride priorities. Save this para ready ka sa next USJ summer trip mo. Yun lang muna. Follow